Video on August the 17th, 2010 at 9:53. This is the instrument itself. This is the bench, Matson Satellite FTIR. There's the bench there. Here we've got the computer showing the trace here. You can just see that now. Today's date on there. Just literally set the instrument up. There is no sample inside it, we've just got background readings at the moment. Keyboard, obviously mouse, an assortment of literature. There is an accessory, a couple of accessories with it, instructions for those. There's a site prep guide, an installation guide for the single reflectance HATR. There's a copy of software for the Matson First Light, which is here, which you can see there, which is useful, and there are some original test chromatograms from when it was first installed. Here we've also got a box of accessories, which you can see here, an assortment of different accessories. All of these are stored in KBR windows, which are very useful to have, in silica gel, an assortment there, so you could utilise this for a variety of different functions, which in a teaching environment is extremely useful. So here we go, we've got some spacers, whatever they might be, pestle and mortar, KBR powder here, and assorted bits to do spectroscopy. So that's all contained within there. And that's pretty much it, really. The process I went through, just to show you on video, you can see here, you see the different points and wavelengths here. As I move this, so you can see the positions changing here. Okay, so we'll go into the start menu now. Prepare for background scan. Check to make sure that there is no sample in FTIR. Press Enter key or hit mouse to continue. Okay, so we'll do that. Checking the bench setup. Spectrometer setup is okay. Please make sure there's no sample in it. Checking current spectrometer scan settings. Checking for signal clipping. Please prepare for a background scan. There's no password on the computer, which is useful. We're scanning at the moment. Scan done. Data done. Transferring data. Please wait. Procedure is very easy. Place sample and press OK. So we'll just go through that one again. Obviously, doing a couple of them. Please prepare for sample scan. OK. Let's have a look at this here. Transferring data. Please wait. Okay, and here we are. We have another trace. Okay, now obviously you can compare it, plot, load method, save, etc. But you can see the very simple to switch on. Simply press the start key on the computer, make sure the instrument's switched on, and everything else is pretty self-explanatory. In terms of the connections on the back of the instrument, I'll just take a quick photo or video of that so that you can see. The power unit is for the bench itself. So you can see on the back of it there is a circuit connection which goes into the power unit, which I'm pointing at now. That goes into a normal 240 volt supply, and then if we just go around the back of the computer, there's a power supply in here which I'm pointing at now. Here we've got a keyboard cable, a mouse cable, and we've got the interface cable between the computer and between the back of the instrument here, and it goes in the left hand side female pin slot, which I think is numbered number 1. so that's obviously quite important as well, that it doesn't go into 2, it does go into number 1. You can see the condition there on the back of it. The cable's in good order and the connections and interfaces are all in good order. The one on the far right hand side is